This is one that I ordered a while back, so let's see what we got. And we have Reservoir Dogs. This is just a picture, it's not real. It's an illustration. Best Buy. This is the steelbook. This is a Quentin Tarantino film. I'm not sure what year, but this is definitely one of my favorites of his. So this top part is the slip cover, which was already kind of revealed, but you have that, and there's the inside. Looks like no damage to the steelbook. There's the back part of it. There's the digital copy. Up front we have the 4K from Lionsgate, and then the Blu-ray in the back. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.
Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the